If you need to send visitors from one website to another or point an old domain to a new destination, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to redirect a website to another website with Namecheap. It's a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every step so you can set it up correctly and avoid common mistakes. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can manage all of your domains in one place. From here, look for the domain list option. This is where Namecheap keeps every domain connected to your account, so this is the section you need to work from. Now find the domain that you want to redirect. If you own multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, because the redirect will apply to that specific domain. After you locate it, click Manage next to the domain. This opens the settings page for that particular domain and gives you access to the redirect options. Once you're inside the domain settings, scroll down until you see the redirect domain section. This is the area where Namecheap lets you forward traffic from one domain to another. When you find it, click Add Redirect. That tells Namecheap you want to create a new forwarding rule. Next, enter your source URL. This is the domain or address that people will type into their browser before being redirected. After that, enter the destination URL, which is the website you want visitors to land on instead. Be careful here and double check both fields so the redirect points exactly where you want it to go. One very important detail is to make sure the destination URL includes http:// That full address is important because it helps the redirect work properly and sends users to the secure version of the site. If you leave that part out, the redirect may not behave the way you expect, so always confirm the URL is complete. After everything looks correct, click Save. Namecheap will then apply the redirect settings to your domain. In many cases, the change starts working shortly after saving, but sometimes it can take a little time to fully update across the internet. If you don't see it working immediately, give it a little while and test it again. And that's it. You've now learned how to redirect a website to another website using Namecheap. This is a great option if you're rebranding, moving to a new domain, or just want to send traffic from an old site to a new one without losing your audience. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.